Welcome to the top 10 list. Wood clamps. Table saw, a must-have for ripping down all your wood. Router table. Freud, my personal favorite, but any router table will do. Jigsaw, a must-have. Compound sliding miter saw, my favorite. One of my go-tos. A simple block plane. A professional jack plane. I happen to like both. Chisels, a must-have. Palm sander for tidying up your work. Speed square. Now you can just use a normal square, but I happen to like the speed square. It's much quicker. A good tape measure, worth its weight in gold. And a bench sander. Now I know I said 10, but you gotta have a shop vac as well to clean up your mess. A clean area is a safe area.